here, man. Dude. Where did you get this stuff, man? Leroy, man. There you go. Smoke it till it's gone. Woo! Hey, I love Bon Jovi, don't you? No way, man. I don't love you. You don't love Bon Jovi? No way. Hey, man. Don't pull that shit with me, man. Oh, I was scared you didn't. You thought it was a knife. No way, dude. I knew it was a cone.
So, man, there I was. And my bike was, what's that dude's name?
Taco?
No, man. Bruce Springsteen.
Oh, that dude?
Yeah, man. And, like, he didn't know what was going on, dude, because he couldn't play guitar or nothing, so I had to teach the dude. And then, I also knew Black Sabbath before they were real big, man.
And that band like Ozzy Osbourne used to be in?
Yeah, man, but I used to be a singer, but, you know, I got tired of the stuff, so I wanted a new gig, man, so I said, yeah, I know this dude named Ozzy, so come let him, like, play what you do, because, you know, I'm tired of this English thing.
Paco's gonna get here. He's supposed to bring more music. I don't know, dude.
Oh, man, where's that music coming from? Very long, dude. Yo, man, all that beer's like getting to me, dude. I gotta go bleed my liver.
Okay, dude, but don't take too long.
Whoa, man. Hey, man, there's a blinking light in our toilet. And the flusher don't work anymore either, dude. Hey, man, you calling Maytag repairman? Because there's one coming out. It's a good thing, man. The flusher don't work anymore. Hey, man, what are you doing? Oh, no, man. Oh, no, man. I'm dying to that weird music again. Run, man, there's a mad Maytag repairman. Oh.
Hey, man, what's taking you so long in there? You using the kitchen again? Oops. If you're in the kitchen, I'm going to use the bathroom. Want that you Paco? No, I'm sorry. Ain't that fit? What do you want? Oh, come on, dude.
Good evening, this is Ralph Bannon for 6 O'Clock News. This is just in. It has been reported that a lunatic has escaped from the state mental faculty. He is believed to be armed and extremely dangerous, and if I were a mother, I would keep him away from my daughter. If anyone has any information about the whereabouts of the lunatic, please call the police as soon as possible. In other news, 3 ladies were arrested last night for raping the mayor. The mayor
Hello?
That's pretty funny, Larry.
Bring him up.
Who's this?
Well hung low.
Well hung low. Oh, nice to meet you. Well hung low. Hold on, no, you. You have one of them wires there. More good. Say, did you see the 6 o'clock news?
No, what is it?
Excuse me. Jump up in my throat. No, that's it. It's just something about that. Just thinking of the killer missing nap. I don't know why.
What killer, man?
He's the funniest guy I've ever seen. Hey man, why you got two watches on, man? I'm gonna get you for sure, man.
What's this killer's name, man?
His name's Pepsi Cohen. I think.
Hey, I put Pepsi Cola away a couple years ago, man. I did it like this, man, with this gun right here. Yeah, man, it's like this. I walked up to him, I said, hey, man, you gotta stop killing people. You know what he said? What'd he say? He said, sure, dude.
That was pretty good, yeah.
And thing about it, I didn't have a loaded gun, man. And he fell for it.
Oh, he faked him, man.
Yeah, faked him, man.
Whoa, that's pretty good.
Didn't have no handcuffs either, you know, had to use them little thumb cuff things, man.
You're pretty good on killers. Had to use another day.
Yeah, he had a knife.
My wife got cut out of her hand. I had
He had a knife too, man. This long. So whipped it out of his back pocket. This long, man. Almost chopped my hand off, but I caught it, man. I don't know how I did it.
Just
I caught it, no. I threw it away, and I sort of laughed at him and said, what does it care, man? And he gave up after that.
I had to have a hanger on you, wouldn't you? Bigger.
No, man, I ain't got no hanger. I had it back, please.
I'll get back on you.
Oh. No, I didn't know that killer escaped, man. I guess I'm gonna have to go back and get him, you know.
Yeah, put more cash in that gun. There we go.
Yeah, I better load it this time, man.
Scare him after get at least, you know.
Yeah, I gotta load it. How do you load this thing?
I don't think so.
The safety, the chop. Oh, there it is.
Chop and block. He get me every time.
There it is. Dead body found behind local bar. News at 11.
She really must have been tired. She sure did crash out quick. Ralph Fannin for the 11 o'clock news. The lunatic Pepsi-Cola has struck again in the New York residence. 2 more bodies have been found mutilated and killed. Cameron, watch it! There's somebody behind you! Watch it!
Ah!
No, please, no! Stay away! No! No, please, no!
No, it's only 2. We're gonna catch some basketball. Man, you alright? Look, I got him. He's in the kitchen, man. Come on. Come on. Check the closet. No, in here. Don't get in here. No. Don't take Kristen. Don't take Kristen now. I'll get outside. You get him, Book? One more, Book. One more. Finish him off. Unmask him, unmask him. The Maytag repairman.
Yeah.
One more. Good job. Me and Sergeant Boog, we captured the killer and we killed him. He's right back behind this house over here.
Killer smeller. I don't buy all this, man.
He killed your cousin, Two Brain Bob. We got him.
I just saw Two Brains just a few minutes ago.
No, really, he killed him. We got him back here. Come on, come around the corner and I'll show you. Come on.
Alright. Let's hurry up though, cause I'm freezing, man.
He's right over here. He's gone. But he was here, I promise. We killed him. He was laying out. Me and Sergeant Boog, we did wrestling moves on him. We had him. No, I'm not sick. We had him.
You've been smoking something, man.
No, Hillbilly Bob, we got him. We need to go tell Sergeant Boog that he's gone.
Oh, we gotta go get Boo.
Yeah, we do. Come on, Hillbilly Bob.
Hurry up, get this thing going. Oh, man. I guess I'll drop a load while I'm here. Whoa, 10 pounds lighter now. Take that! Holy shit!
What was that? Better go check it out.
This thing is gonna track me.
Fucking Maytag repairman.
Oh! Billy Bob! What are you doing over here? Billy Bob! One Brain Bob! Two Brain Bob, twin brother! Say, we gotta get out of here. There's a Pepsi-Cola killer coming. Where? Back this way. Did you have all eagles? Wrinkle face? Yeah. And curly brown hair? And green overalls? Yeah. I see him, man. I see him.